In this video, I show you how to fix Samsung camera flash not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, scroll down, find out camera app, tap on camera, tap on force stop, tap on OK, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Now click on flash icon. Now click on here. Now capture any. You can see that flash icon working. Now I hope that this method fixed camera flash not working on Samsung Galaxy phone.